bit more manageable for ourselves. So the first thing I want to look at is essentially how to build those file folders inside of email client. So I'm going to drop down here to the bottom, and inside my Gmail client I essentially have a list of files here. Just ignore the Gmail prefix. You're not necessarily going to have that. So I've got jobs, I've got other receipts, relocation, and what so on and so forth. So what I want to do to create for myself is I basically want to create folders to manage my email a little bit more effectively. So as I go through, I can just adjust and see my email in a different fashion. So Joe's emails in regard to drafts will follow the folder that I want. So the first thing I want to do is basically create those folders. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to select come down to more, and I'm going to drop down to the bottom. And Gmail refers to these as labels, but they're essentially folders for ourselves. So I'm just going to select create new label, and I'll just label this one particular email demos. And you do have the option to nest this under a already created label. So if you want to do a parent, you can do that way. You can have labels within labels. But I want to create this as a new one. So I'm going to create new. And then this particular email here, I want to move that into my new folder. So instead of clicking on, I can click here and I can see the important emails or the sent emails. I have all the emails here in my inbox. I want to clean this up a bit so those are divvied up and filed away, categorized a little bit more effectively. So I'm just going to click this one here, and then I'm going to click down to my folder icon and select the folder that I created before. So I'm going to find that folder here, and it's under email demos. So I'm just going to move that, and when I do move that, it disappears from my inbox, and it will actually show up here to my emails demo. So I have my email here, email demo, in that email demo folder. The advantage of that is really organizing all your emails separately into different divisions so they're easier to maintain, easier to find what you need, rather than having an inbox that just has hundreds and hundreds of emails not really labeled in or divided in anything particular. Think about it as having a file folder, file cabinet, and you're divvying up the emails in your file cabinet. And that's just a good way to organize your emails, and it's a good way to find the ones that you need.